Hi, I'm Tina. Welcome back to the Big B and Little T channel. Today we're going to make a recipe called Omega3 Oat Topping Balls, and it's going to be used to go on delicious things such as banana ice cream or baked sweet potatoes, or even to be eaten as a little snack just to tide you over. And it's made from lots of delicious seeds that have good oils for you that provide omega-3 for your body. It has hemp hearts in it. All of these things I actually store in jars in my cabinet. It has chia seeds. It has ground flax seeds. These are whole. I grind them before I use them. And it has some pumpkin pie spice, which you can substitute cinnamon for. It has banana and oats. And then you can either add PB2 or plain cocoa in it for flavoring. You're also going to add some walnuts, which I'm down to the bare minimum here. If you don't want to use walnuts, you could choose something like cacao nibs, which I have in a jar here, or even pumpkin seeds, or any other kind of nut that you like. So, the first thing we're going to do is take half of a soft banana. You can see it's really darkened here, and I've found a really soft spot here, so we're going to avoid that. We're just going to take the part that is still good at the top. When it's brown, that means it's going to be extra sweet, so we want it to get it when it's fully ripe. So this is a half of a pretty large banana. I'm going to take this one little piece here that is not completely mush and get that in there before we get rid of that. It's just really nasty. Wow. Nobody wants that. And we're just going to smash it with a fork in our bowl to get it all nice and soft. And then we need a 1/4 cup of oats. I'm just using quick oats here. You could try it with whole oats. We're going to add that to the banana. And I've measured out all of the seeds. We have 2 teaspoons each of chia, ground flax, and hemp. We also have 2 tablespoons of PB2 or cocoa powder, or I guess you could do 1 teaspoon of each. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of your seasoning. I used pumpkin pie spice. And then 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts. We're going to say that's about a tablespoon, and I'm just going to crunch it up in my hand and get it in here. Those also will provide us with some good omega-3. Okay, so it's all in a bowl together like this. And we're just going to mix it around until it starts to hold together. As you can see, this is not a very big serving. This would be something good for 1 serving on top of your ice cream, or maybe divided into 2. It could last you a day or so, or you could increase the recipe to make more. But it's going to stick together really nicely here. The chia seeds, when they hit that moisture, are going to absorb some of it and become a little bit gelatinous and hold things together. Okay, as you can see, it's made a nice little dough here. I've got a plastic container. I'm going to wet my hands a little bit. And then we're just going to take little bits of this, roll it together, and stick it in here. They're just going to be small, bite-sized little balls that are going to add a punch of flavor, fiber, good omega-3s, and just something a little extra to go on top of your dish. When I made them the first time, I put them on top of the sweet potato I was eating for breakfast, and it just added so much to it while also providing some good nutrition. And you want to keep your hands a little bit moist so it doesn't stick to you. And if banana wasn't your favorite vegetable, you could try it with something like pumpkin, ground pumpkin, or even with sweet potatoes mashed and roll it together. I just think banana is a great flavor. Okay, it made 8 Omega3 Oat Topping Balls, and I'm just going to stick these in the fridge. I have a lid I can pop on, and then I can use them throughout the week to top my ice cream, to top on top of my sweet potatoes, or just to eat as a little snack. I hope you try this recipe. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.